Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We'll start by completing this section of the website, but before we go ahead with that, I don't really like the fact that we just have one post on our website. So I'll go ahead and create a map. For now, we are not connected to any API, but there's a way we can have more data on our screen. So I'll just do something like this to have six posts on the website. So this is JavaScript. We need to wrap it with these curly braces. Okay, so let's spread this array. Then let's map it. Okay. So it had a callback function, and let's return something. Not you. Return TURN. Okay. So now let's copy this post container, which is from here. Okay. And let's cut it from here and paste it here. Okay, so let's see our browser. Perfect. So you can see now we have how many posts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just by doing that. So the only difference with this is that we all have the same post, but what we could do is that we can get this post from an array with the post title and the comment and the post body, which we can do later, but for now let's just continue with this. So let's look at LinkedIn and see what we need to do next, which is having to get these icons, which I already did. So when we go to our SVG files, when you go to the SVG files, you will see this hashtag. Okay, not that. Okay, send, make comment, and share. So let's see what we need to do first. We can set this as a flex container. We can use an li and other list here. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. So let's see, let's have it here. So the post actions, let's call it post actions. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's put something on our screen to see if we're on the right place. Okay, perfect. So let's have our UL li times 5. Let's times it by, I think, 4. Okay, let's save this and refactor. Why is that of our screen? Okay, so we have like, comment, share, and send. So let's put it like, comment, share, and send. Okay, so now that we have this, let's grab our icons. So the first we need is like. So let's go to our SVG and grab like, and go back to our page and paste it here. So which one do we need now? Let's see. We need share and we need comments. Share, comment, and I guess send. Okay, So let's have it here. Like, comment, share, and send. Okay, so let's see what we have. Like, comment, share, send. So okay, this is perfect, but let's see. Okay, let's style this now. Let's style this. So let's start by giving it a padding. Okay, let's go straight to the URL and remove the default URL styles. So list style type, we'll set it to none. And set it to a display of flex, and set it to justify content space between. So it will take all available space. Okay, but let's look at LinkedIn. Okay, that is not what LinkedIn did, so let's remove this, but target the li and give it some padding or margin, which anyone you prefer. So let's do this and give it margin right of maybe 20 pixel. Okay, I think we need more margin. Okay, so these icons look a little bit bigger than the LinkedIn icon, which is surprising to me. So I don't know if it's a problem with our grabber, our SVG grabber, but it looks a little bit bigger than the default LinkedIn icons. So guys, let's set this to a display of flex. So they can, okay. Then let's target the SVG and give it a little bit padding right of maybe 5 pixel. Okay, so let's give this align item center. Okay, so it can stay on the same rule, and so let's add more margin to the SVG, which we didn't do. We didn't call on the SVG here. Probably my bad. Okay, this looks much better. So we missed out something, which is this padding and this like icon. So I'm not going to add that. I won't add that because it's something very little that you can take as a challenge to do. So let's look for our HR, because we need horizontal line here. Okay, so guys, don't forget, by the end of the tutorial we'll come back to all this little stuff that we're missing out, such as the active state of all these elements. You can see we can come back to this, but as I said earlier, for now let's just try and get things done by 80%. Okay, so let's look for our HR. Where did we use it then? We use it yeah. Okay, so let's just search for this on our code editor, and this should be it. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Been a little cold. So let's paste it somewhere around here. Okay. Let's increase that. Okay, so let's look at LinkedIn to confirm. Okay, we have this. Okay, let's see, let's add more padding to the bottom of this. Okay, top 10 pixel left, so 20 pixel, 10 pixel. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I said 120, so 20. Okay, so I think we need more space in between these cards, but before we do that, let's style these comments with text. Let's see if we can grab that. Let's see. Okay, I guess we can't. Okay, we can't. What was that called? Let's see. What was it called? Color text lower shift. Wait, arrows. Okay. Wow, this is a lot. So let's let go of that and just find something to use. Okay, so let's take our favorite color from here. This is the only gray color that we can find. We can steal from LinkedIn. Okay, so let's change the font weight to maybe 500. Change the font size to maybe 13 pixel. Okay, let's see. We need to increase it. Okay, let's see. 16. This looks a bit different. It does. Okay, let's try and use this if it could help by any means. Let's see. Okay, it actually did. Wow, perfect. So I think we need to decrease something. Let's reduce this. Okay. So what do we need to do now? For now, I think we're okay with this section. Let's just move to this, and once we are done with this, we'll go back to the navbar here and take a close look and make sure that everything is perfect. And also before the next video, before that particular video, I must have searched for the font used by LinkedIn on this LinkedIn platform, so the website could look more like LinkedIn. Because looking at this, you would probably notice that it doesn't look 100% like LinkedIn because of the font and some little stuff we've missed already. But before we get to that, let's finish this section. Okay, so let's go ahead and implement this today top courses. So I'll go ahead and pause this video so I could get this icon. Okay, so hello guys, so I have the icon ready now. So let's just try and finish up with this now. So what are we going to do here? We can have this as a display of legs and have this as a list. So then after that we can implement this, which I already grabbed this image from the LinkedIn platform, which is this connect.png. So let's just finish up with this now. So let's get started. Okay. Oh, where is it? Let's drag this over here. Okay. So let's go to our home page and go to the last column, which is this. Today top courses. Today top courses. Okay. So let's have a container called div.top courses. Okay. And before we go ahead with this, let's go to this section and remove some styles. Okay. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So let's remove this background color and the height and probably the padding. Okay. So now let's copy this and give it padding of probably 10 pixel. 10 pixel and give it a width of 100% and height of fit content. Okay. Okay, nothing is showing up. So let's give it a background color so it can be visible of white and a border radius of probably 5 pixel or 4 pixel to start with. So there is something here which I know what it is. So top, let's start with 0, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 0. Okay, so probably remove this. Okay, perfect. And also let's reduce the padding here to 4 pixel. The border radius to say, not the padding. Okay, so where is the border radius? This is it. Let's reduce it to 4 pixel. Okay. So what next? Today top courses. So we can have a div dot top header, and we can have a p tag with the text. Okay. Okay. So now let's get our SVG, which is this, and name it as option, and let's get from this page. Let's import it here. Option, and paste it over here. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is meant to be a capital letter. Let's also change it here. Okay, let's confirm we have it. Okay, let's go back here and go to our browser. Is anything breaking? Okay, nothing is breaking. So let's take this. Let's take that baby. So let's paste this over here and give it a display of flex and justify content or space between, and align item, probably center, and what else? Let's see on our browser. Okay, let's give it a padding. The padding should be from here. Top, right, bottom, left. Okay. So let's also use the color we used here. I think I really like this color. It look more like blending. Okay. Let's take this and paste it over here and call on the p tag so it can take that style. Let's see. Okay, it's actually black, not gray. So let's change this to black. Okay, and also reduce it. Let's see the amount of padding on here. Okay, almost the same, but I need to increase mine a little bit. Maybe let's see, 13 and probably 13 here. Okay, I think that is enough. So very small, 14 should be okay. Okay, let's compare. It's actually big on LinkedIn, so let's increase that by maybe 16 pixels. Okay, let's compare again. Okay. I think we need to increase the font width to 600. It's a very bold text. We should have just used page 1 instead. Okay. Okay, this is okay. 600. Let's see by 17 pixels, and let's see by increasing the padding top. Okay, let's see. Let us leave it by 16. Okay, it's not too bold to me. I'll read it by 15. It's look better to me. Okay, so let's get this section. So here we are going to have, okay, I didn't grab this icon, and I won't, since it's only available on overstates. I will do it once on the last video. I will get this done. So let's just get this now. Okay, so let's see, we can have an li, we can have, I won't want to use the li default number, so what do I do? Okay, I'll have this as a colon, have this as another colon, so I can just use flex over there. So what let's do this. So what we could do is we can start by list, okay, and we can have let's copy this. One, okay, so here we can have a span of 1 dot, and right, is this the best thing to do? Okay, yeah, I guess so. We can have another div here. Let's start with this because it's meant to be a container. Let's paste this here, and after that we can have the course. We can have the course, and let's change this to 2. And what do we have here? We have the course title and a subtext. So let's inspect this and grab the text. Okay, oh there. Okay, so they didn't do that. What they did was to add this number, which is probably the index on the array. So that was what they did. But since we are not getting this data from an array, we can't do that unless we want to do the same thing we did on the card. But we want to have started already with this, so we just continue. Okay, so let's take this number and let's get
it's 11 o'clock.
Let's get the subtext before we move forward. Let's inspect again and grab the subtext. Okay, and let's put this on a span. Okay, and have another span and put this. Okay, so that is it on that. Okay, so let's grab this and set this to a display of flex. So for example, you are getting this data from an API. What you could probably do, you don't actually need this section. What you could do is just map it this way. When you map it, then you can concatenate this and get the index of the array. So the index will probably start from 0, but because you won't want to start counting from 0 because users don't know programming, so you probably do something like 0 plus 1, which will make the data display from 1 to whatever number it is on the array. You understand? So with that being said, let's just continue with what we're doing. So let's paste this here and give it a display of flex. Okay, and okay, let's see, let's get this colon 1 and paste it here. Margin right of maybe 5 pixels. Okay, 5 pixels. Okay, so let's increase this. Let's add some margin to this. Okay, so let's give it margin bottom of maybe 8 pixels, and let's get the parent container, which is this, and give it some margin top of 12 pixels. Okay, so let's decrease the font size, and let's see the color used. So we have black and gold, we have black and gray, so let's get that. So let's come here and grab the text. Okay, let's do this and colon span and first child, and set it to probably font size of 14 pixels, color black. Okay, and let's target the last child of this pen. Oh, sorry about this. Let's target this and target the last child, and let's grab the color from here, which is, I guess this is it. No, okay, this one. Okay, let's see, let's break this. So this is, we use a span here, and span is an inline element. So because of that, let's set this to a display of flex direction of colon, so it can change the element to a block level element. Okay, just like this. Okay, so let's increase this by adding a font width to 600. Okay, let's see from here. Okay, we need to do more than that. Something is wrong with the look of this, which I can't figure out what it is. Starting from the font size, many things is wrong with it, but let's start by giving this padding top of 5 pixels. Okay, and let's add more of this. Oh, Okay, so let's change the numbers to 3 and okay, probably want to have 4. Okay, let's add more margin bottom to this, more margin bottom of maybe 12 pixels. Now 17. Okay, and let's also reduce this. Now it's not bad. Okay, so let's reduce this also by 15. Okay, so my battery is low. Let me get my charger plug, and so I'll go ahead and pause this tutorial now. Once I have my battery charged, then I'll get back to this.